What if the secret to your biggest dreams lies in what you do when the world is sleeping? Discover the powerful story of a boy who chose effort over comfort, and how his journey can transform yours. Hello, dear friends. I am Alex. Today, I want to share a very special story with you. It is a story about a boy named Leo. He lived in a small village. This story is simple, but it has a big and important lesson for all of us. As you listen, you will also learn simple English words and sentences. This will help you grow. So, let's begin Leo's journey. Leo lived in a very small and quiet village. The village was peaceful. People there liked to rest a lot. They woke up late every day. They worked only a few hours. They had simple lives and were happy with just a little. They often said, "Life is easy here. Why do we need to work hard?" Most people in the village did not dream of big changes. They liked feeling good now more than making things better for the future. But Leo was different. Deep inside him, there was a strong fire. He wanted more from life. He wanted to help his family, to learn new things, and to be someone his village could be proud of. Every single night, when everyone else in the village was sleeping soundly, Leo was awake. A small, soft lamp burned on his wooden table. He held his books. He read new words. He wrote his thoughts. His eyes were often tired, but his heart was always full of strong hope. This was his secret work. No one saw him. No one knew about his silent efforts. This is the first important lesson. Small work done every day, always, when no one sees you, makes big changes over time. This is the deep effect of always trying, even when no one sees. Leo understood this deep truth. Life was not always easy for Leo. Sometimes he felt very lonely. His friends played games and laughed loudly. They would often ask him, "Leo, why do you work so hard? Why don't you come and play with us?" They sometimes called him the serious boy or the strange dreamer. Some even laughed at his efforts. Their words hurt him deeply. He felt sad, and sometimes he thought, "Am I doing the wrong thing?" But then he remembered his big dream. He remembered the kind faces of his parents. He told himself, "No, I must keep going. My time to shine will come." This is how you learn to win over bad thoughts and other people's bad words. You must listen to your strong inner voice. You must always remember your true wish. Leo made a serious promise to himself. He said, "I will not waste my precious time. I will learn something new every single day." And he did. Every morning, he woke up long before the sun rose. It was cold in his small room. His warm bed felt very nice. But he stood up. He walked to the window. He washed his face with cold water. This woke him up completely. Then he opened his book. Every day he read a little. Every day he wrote a little. These were very small steps. But these small steps, done day after day, always, became very strong. This is the great power of small, daily habits. They build great success, brick by brick, moment by moment. For a long, long time, no one in the village noticed Leo's work. But slowly, little by little, things began to make a big change in him. Leo's eyes became brighter. His words became wiser and more sure. People started to see that he was different. One day, there was a big village contest. It was about solving problems and writing ideas clearly. Many people from the village were there. Leo joined the contest. He was calm and steady. His answers were clear and smart. He won the contest. The same people who had laughed at him before now clapped loudly for him. His mother watched with happy tears in her eyes. Leo had changed greatly. He was no longer just the quiet boy who worked alone. He made a big change from an unseen worker to a person who gives others new ideas. Some time later, a special teacher from a big town visited the village. The teacher heard about Leo and offered him a big chance. It was money to study in a town. To get it, Leo had to take a difficult test. Many other students came for the test. They had skill and looked very smart. Leo felt a little small next to them. But he remembered his silent, hard work. He remembered all the early mornings he spent studying. He had gotten ready for this. He took the test. It was very hard. But he was ready. He was calm. He had good habits. He focused on every question. He finished the test with sure hands. Days later, the results came. Leo's name was at the very top of the list. He had won the money for school. This clearly showed that strong habits and getting ready are more powerful than skill or good fortune. Leo's quiet, hard work, when no one watched, had made him truly ready for this big chance. The wonderful news spread quickly through the whole village. The village was now full of talk about Leo. People started to think differently about their own lives. Some began to wake up earlier to start their day. Some started to learn new skills. Leo did not tell them what to do. He just lived his life with strong will and full heart. But his good example showed them a new and better way. His personal growth quietly gave new ideas to others. This is the last, very important lesson. When you change yourself for the better, you also help to make the world around you better. Your light of effort helps others find their own light. Leo's story is a simple one, but it carries a very strong message for all of us. It shows us that big dreams and great success come from many small, daily efforts. It shows us that hard work, even when you feel lonely or unseen, is never wasted. Every little step counts. It shows us that you, yes you, can change your life. You can become stronger. You can achieve your biggest dreams. Start small, do things always, and never give up. If this story sparked a fire in you, subscribe to White Eagle for more ideas to keep going and English learning wisdom. Hit the like button if you're ready to start building your dreams while others sleep.